I bid a very warm welcome to the renowned today's speakers. Actually, Adhiyaman sir, head professor and head department of Biotechnology University of Madras in absentia, and Dr. Arumani, scientist, so Biomedical Research Institute of New Jersey, Cedar Knolls, USA, who took their valuable time to join our today's seminar and part of the seminar. I would like to extend warm welcome to all the heads of the department, of the faculties in your center, also the faculties from the other different colleges. I welcome Dr. Amuda, organizing secretary of this event, and I welcome my colleagues, Dr. Raghu, Dr. Kamaraj, Dr. Revati. Also welcome the scholars, MSc students from our center, also the students from the different colleges. I hope this seminar will help the students to enhance the skill and job opportunities in the biotechnology.
Life science covers a wide range of topics related to life science, including biotechnology, genetics, biochemistry, molecular biology, bioinformatics, and more. Attendees can expect to hear keynote speakers from renowned experts. These activities provide a platform for researchers to present their latest findings and discuss their ongoing research projects. One of the main benefits of attending this seminar is to the opportunity to stay up to date with the latest development in the field as life science research continues to evolve. It is important for researchers and professionals to keep up with the new trends and emerging technologies. The seminar provides a forum for attendee to exchange ideas and collaborate on new research projects which can lead to groundbreaking discoveries and innovations. Overall, the international seminar on future aspects of life science is must attend ever for anyone interested in the life science. The knowledge and the insights gained from the attending this seminar can help researchers and professionals stay at the forefront of this rapidly evolving field. Thank you.
Delivered by Dr. Arumani for your benefits. So as stated in the topic, title of the conference, the current trends in life sciences. So life sciences, so without life sciences, there is no point of any research in modern research and also the advanced research also. Right from before Christ and Aristotle, who has come out with the idea of observation of two kingdoms classification. So only by observation. So the plant, animal and so life sciences were to have started from the BC 325 to 350 by
you, sir. Staff members of various colleges, I am welcoming you all. Thank you very much.
Committee members, Professor Dr. P. Prabhu, Professor Kamal sir, Professor Dr. Revati madam, and all the participants, accompanying faculty members from various institutes, and the keynote speaker of this valedictory address, Professor Dr. K. Adhiyaman from University of Madras, present media, good evening to all of you. Just to say good evening, I think you people fully loaded with all information from right from morning to till now. It is very tough to hear the words even after 5 o'clock, right? So no problem. I will sum my speech within 2 minutes as per the direction given by the coordinators. Right. See, while seeing the response for the program is marvelous, I think the arrangement made by the department is excellent, and we see 307 registration for the participation of this program is not a small thing. This is the outcome of effort taken by the department. I should appreciate the effort taken by the department to make this kind of program in such a manner over here with this limited facility to the students of rural area.
இந்த ஒன் டே ப்ரோக்ராம் வந்து உங்களுடைய என்ன சொல்கிறது உங்களுடைய ஃபீட்பேக்லேருந்து 3 நாள் ப்ரோக்ராமாக மாறிடுச்சு. அதுவே ஒரு பெரிய கிராண்ட் சக்ஸஸ் தான். என்ன சார் சொல்ல மாதிரி என்னன்னா இதை வராத ஸ்டூடெண்ட் வந்து சொல்லுங்கள் என்ன நடந்ததுன்னு பாருங்க. எனக்கு ஒரு சின்ன வருத்தம் என்னென்னா எல்லாரையும் ஒன்றா பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ண முடியல. அந்த ஸ்ட்ரீமிங் செஷன் கொஞ்சம் லேட் ஆகிடுச்சு. நாங்கள் இவ்வளோ ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் எதிர்பார்க்கலன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இவங்க மேடத்துக்கு இவ்வளோ ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கல. இப்போ ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் அவங்க நினச்சதுக்கு மேலே வந்ததுனால கொஞ்சம் இன்கன்வீனியன்ட் இருந்தது. நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் இதை வந்து இன்னும் பெட்டராக பண்ணிடுவோம். ஏன்னா சார் வந்து மண்டபத்தில் இப்போயே ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டார், 3 நாள் தான் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டார். ஸோ இனிமேல் இது மாதிரியான இன்கன்வீனியன்ஸ் இல்லாமல் இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் வந்து இதை விட 100 மடங்கு சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லாக போகும். அதுக்கு வந்து எங்களுடைய மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்துக்கள். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Periyar University, Center for Postgraduate and Research Studies, and our head of the department, Dr. N. Ilakoma sir, for the constant support and giving us the courage and support to arrange this wonderful event. And I really thankful to our resource person, Dr. Dharmapuri sir, scientist, Biotechnology Research Institute of PUPGEC, BSc. And I would like to thank our resource person, Dr. sir, MSc, PhD, Professor at Head Department of Biotechnology, University of Madras, Chennai, for his wonderful speech on nanotechnology in cancer and virus diagnosis and challenges. And I would like to thank all faculty members from various institutes and departments and various colleges